Hello guys, my name is Subhan. This is my first video on my YouTube channel, and in this video I will going to show you how to fix your sound issue and mic problem on Phonix OS without wasting your time. So let's start. If you want to solve, then you need a software which name is Also Mixer. I give link in description. Now I show you how to download it. First we need a Chrome browser and download it. Go to the Chrome. Go to the Chrome browser. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon on all for the latest technology videos. Wait, my Chrome is opening. Wait. So it's open. Now we search Also Mixer root APK. Now if search, click on first website. Click on it, and now we open like this. Now I give link in description. Now we need to download it. It is only 1 MB. I have already downloaded, so I not download it. When you download, then open it, and we need to select. First we go to the 3 dots, click on 3 dots and go to the setting. When we install new, the blue circle is on Also Mixer as controls. We need to select Also Mixer controls, and okay. Now we go to the back, and we see pop up like this. Now we add it into your favorites like this, and we select the front headphone jack. Click on it, and he's added on your favorites. Now we add front mic jack. He added on your favorites. Now line jack, and then rear mic jack, and then scroll down and we see input source. Click on input source, and he also added in your favorites. Now go to favorites like this. See, now click on it and select the value 1 and apply. 1 and apply. 1 and apply. 1 and apply. And now 100% sure your mic has been working. I am also use this, and then my voice are recording in video, and I will not fix it, and my voice was not record. I sure it is 100% fixed. So meet in the next video with new topic. Bye bye.